In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a refund for a paid invoice in Xero using a credit note. If you've issued a refund to a customer after they already paid an invoice, a credit note is the cleanest way to reflect that refund and keep your sales, tax, and customer balances accurate. We'll create and approve the credit note so it's ready to be matched to the outgoing payment on your bank feed. First, head to the sales area in Xero. This is where you manage everything related to customers, invoices, and credit notes. Going here ensures you're working within accounts receivable, which keeps your customer history and reporting consistent. Next, open Invoices. Even if you don't need to open the original invoice right now, this view keeps you oriented with the customer and the transaction you're correcting. If you like, you can quickly confirm the original invoice number and items so your credit note mirrors what was refunded. Now choose New Credit Note. Think of a credit note as the mirror image of an invoice. It reduces what the customer owes or records a refund against revenue and tax. This form looks familiar, similar to an invoice, but it posts as a negative sale once approved. Select the contact. Use the exact same customer as the original invoice. So Xero links the credit to the right account. For clarity, consider adding the original invoice number in the reference or description fields so anyone reviewing later understands why the credit exists. Enter the issue date. Use the date you processed the refund, or the date the refund will leave your bank. Aligning the credit note date with the bank refund date helps your reconciliation run smoothly and keeps period reporting accurate. Select the item or items you're crediting. Choose the same product or service codes used on the invoice. For a full refund, match the quantities and unit prices. For a partial refund, adjust quantities or amounts to reflect exactly what you returned. Make sure the tax rate matches the original invoice so your tax reports stay correct. Xero will handle the negative effect automatically once this is approved. Finally, click Approve. Before approving, double-check the subtotal, tax, and total to ensure they match the refund you issued. When you approve, Xero creates a credit on the customer's account that can be matched to the refund when it appears on your bank feed. On the Reconcile screen, you'll be able to match that outgoing payment to this credit note, keeping your books in sync. And that's it. You've created a proper credit note, set up for a clean reconciliation of your refund.